Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Google Drive link for photos. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, go to your Google Drive and log in there, and as soon as you come to this page, here we have to click on this new button. Now click on new folder and name it anything you want, such as I will type here 3 photos, and once you name the folder, just hit on create. So this is the folder which we have created. Open the folder, and once you are here, just we have to again click on this new button, go to the file upload, and now select the photos which you want to upload. In my case, I'm going to upload these 3 photos as you can see here. So I just have to select them and hit on open. Here you have to wait for some time because the photos are now uploading. Once your uploading is done, click on the folder's name, and here you will find the option for share. Here we have to click on again share, and this is the main thing where we have to select the main settings, such as if you want to share this folder to anybody, you can just select this option, anyone with the link, and if you want to share this folder with only specific people, you can select this restricted option, and here you have to enter their email addresses whom you want to share this folder. But in my case, I want to share this folder to everybody who has the link of this folder. So just hit on this anyone with the link button, and here you will find the option for viewer. Here we have to click on, and if you want to let people edit this folder, you can just hit on editor. But in my case, I just want people to view this folder, so I will just set it on viewer. Once you done that, just hit on copy link button and hit here done. Now let me open the incognito mode to see if it is working or not. Okay, I will paste the link here and just hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, it's working, and that's how you can make Google Drive link for photos. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.